Welcome to TechStunner, your destination for cutting-edge unboxing experiences. Join us as we explore the excitement of unboxing, one tech treasure at a time. Subscribe now and never miss a thrilling unboxing moment. Here we go.
Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome to the first look at OnePlus's latest lineup, the OnePlus Pad Pro, Watch 2, and Buds 3. So, let's dive right in. First up, the OnePlus Pad Pro. This is OnePlus's first tablet launch in China, and it's packed with some serious specs. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, this 12.1-inch 3K LCD beauty promises a resolution of 3000 x 2120 pixels, a 7:5 aspect ratio, and up to 16 GB of RAM. Storage? Up to 512 GB. Plus, you get a 13 MP rear camera and an 8 MP front camera. And let's talk battery life. A whopping 9,510 mAh battery with 67W wired fast charging support. That's going to keep you going all day. OnePlus has really focused on enhancing the user experience with upgrades in battery life, display quality, educational features, and connectivity. Now let's move on to the OnePlus Watch 2. This version has a slimmer casing and narrower bezels compared to its predecessor. You can get it in sleek silver or classic black with green and black silicone strap options. Whether you're into fitness tracking, health monitoring, or just want a smarter wrist experience, this watch has got you covered. And finally, the OnePlus Buds 3. These earbuds promise high-quality sound and seamless connectivity, perfect for music lovers and those who need clear audio for calls. They look sleek, and they fit comfortably for extended wear. So there you have it. The OnePlus Pad Pro, Watch 2, and Buds 3 are set to make waves in the tech world. Stay tuned for more detailed reviews and hands-on experiences. If you enjoyed this first look, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.
Enjoying our content? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Don't miss out on future videos. Subscribe now for more exciting content, and click the video appearing on the screen to continue watching. Otherwise, see you next time. I'm Sarah from TechStunner. Have a nice day.